Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Not in today's newspaper. No, today's newspaper is Wednesday, November the 17th, 2021, and we have no extra puzzle. So I've decided to solve the edition of Tuesday, November the 16th, 2021, and I've already solved these two earlier in these two puzzles, the 1 star and the 2 stars. Now it's time for the binary, and later on the tectonic with a 1 star. But first, this binary puzzle number 2, number 3700. Yes, 3700. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Then. Haha. Yeah. Now I need to think. Okay. Let me scan. Maybe we need to compare, for example, which one? Oh. Interesting. Okay. Well. Yeah, I need to think. Yeah. Okay, come on. It's taking too long. What's it saying? Yeah. Where is the opening? The opening. Think. This I cannot use. 1, 2, 3. Here. 1, 0, 0. Here. No. Here also no. 3 O's. 3 ones. I think I'm stuck. O10, we have O10, no. It's taking too long. Where's the opening? Where is the opening? This one. Publisher. Well, between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Overlook something, I think. But what? Double 1 here. 10-10. Do we have a 10-10? This is a 10-10. Wow, this one is... I overlooked something, but what? 101. Do we have a 101 here? Ah, overlook this one and that one. Oh, wow. So I need to compare now. We have 1100 empty box. 11000011 empty box. Woo! Overlooked these two boxes, these two digits. We need to switch. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Yeah. Okay, so now we have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then. Yeah. Okay, which 101. No, I cannot compare the columns. Double 1 here. How about the 10? Ah, this row and that row. 0011 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double 1 here, no there no. Finish in 7 minutes. Wow. Need to find the identical rows. Yeah, but I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.